Hi, and welcome back to Matilda's Messes. I'm Matilda, and oh my god. I haven't posted in what seems like forever. I decided I'm going to organize my linen closet! Yay! So boring. Damn. I'm going to show you what I got at TJ Maxx to help me with this. And I got this idea, the organization idea, not the video idea. I got the organization idea from a channel called Momma from Scratch. She is very sweet, very lovely lady. I will link her thing down below. Oh, okay. So let's see what idea Momma from Scratch had that I'm going to kind of hijack today and make it my own. And I'm going to go through my linen closet and just basically get rid of old linens and towels and things like that. Because not only is it our linen closet for like the bed, it's also our towel closet because there is no other closet or anything in the bathroom. So it's basically for both, and it's just gotten too crazy. Let me go get those baskets. Oh, Jesus. I just sat on the corner of my coffee table and it went, you know what? You can just imagine what happened. It hurt. It just hurt. Okay, so off topic at TJ Maxx, they're having a big basket, laundry baskets, like all sorts of baskets, like wicker baskets and plastic baskets and cloth baskets. You name it, they have it. They're having a big thing with that. So, and I'm sure Home Goods is too. So I got a bunch of those. But while I was there, the aisle next to all of that is the kitchen aisle, and I found these beautiful gray rough dish towels. I like it when they're rough because if I'm actually wiping out pans or anything with it, it gets all the stuff out of it. So, but they have this beautiful lace on the bottom that is just gorgeous. Like, look at that. That is such a pale gray. I love it. I mean, it's the color of my soul. Just boring, bland, and gray. Anyways, okay, so I got some pretty plastic baskets, and they came in, except for one is big, so that one came by itself, but there's a goddamn plane. There's always a goddamn plane out here. I live by an airport. Are we good? Okay, so I can pry these apart. Okay, so this is basically what they look like. They're they're 14 inches by 11.5 inches. So they're 14 inches long, 11.5 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. So I got those for the linen closet because we don't have deep shelves in the linen closet. So I needed something that will either lay in there like this or like this. I'll figure it out later. But you get a pack of 2 for $9.99. That's actually a pretty good price. So, yeah. And I got these lovely gray lilac color ones. And I got 1, 2, 3 packs of them. And they were all $9.99. I got 2 of the purple and 1 of the white, and they're all the same size. So I got technically 6 baskets, and all 3 of those were obviously $30 plus some change for tax. And then I got this really deep gray basket for the top shelf, which has a little more room. Either that or the bottom shelf, I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out as we go. I don't usually make a game plan before I do these things. Little heads up. So, I'm going to try to adult today and figure out how to organize the linen closet. Yay. Okay. So, this one is 13 inches long. 11.5 inches wide, so it's about the same dimensions as these, but the difference is it's 8 3/4 inches deep, so it's a deep motherfucker. Okay, so this one was by itself was $5.99, so it was half the price of like a pack of this too. So figured it was a good price for twice the size, deep wise. So that's what we'll be doing today, is organizing a linen closet.